Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You're signed in and ready. Open Visio Online from the Microsoft 365 app launcher. Once done, pick a template that matches your goal, flowchart, network, floor plan, because templates load relevant stencils and settings and save time. If you prefer full control, open a blank diagram and set canvas size. Make sure to name the file immediately to enable autosave. Now place your first shape from the left stencil so you can start building structure visually and keep momentum. Once your first shape is placed, drag additional shapes from the appropriate stencil and snap them into position. This maintains alignment. Use the connector tool to link shapes. Choose straight, curved, or right-angle connectors depending on clarity needs, because consistent routing improves readability. Next, open the Format pane to apply theme colors, weights, and fonts so elements pop. Make sure to group repeated components and use duplicate to speed layout. Review spacing and alignment for a professional look. To finish, inspect the diagram using grid and rulers, then tweak snap settings for precise placement. Once satisfied, share a view-only or editable link, or export to PDF or a Visio file for offline use. Save and check version history if you need to revert. If connectors overlap or shapes misalign, select problematic items and use Align and Distribute or Reset connectors from the menu. This corrects routing and spacing quickly. Finally, confirm permissions before sending to collaborators.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.